Hello viewers. The cryptocurrency market's massive crash worsened Sunday as a wave of crackdown measures in China continues to rattle investor sentiment, pushing losses to more than $1.3 trillion since a market peak on May 12. The day billionaire Elon Musk announced on Twitter that Tesla would no longer invest in or sell Bitcoin due to its hefty environmental cost. In this regard, now we see the key facts. Number one, the market value of the world's cryptocurrencies plunged another $300 billion Sunday morning, hitting a new post-peak low of $1.2 trillion by 12:30 p.m. EDT Eastern Daylight Time, after plummeting to about $1.4 trillion early Wednesday. The fact number two is, save for a handful of stablecoins means whose prices are pegged to a specific fiat value. There was not a single cryptocurrency among the top 100 by market capitalization that had not fallen in the past 24 hours. And number three is, the market, which peaked at nearly $2.6 trillion, plummeted more than 50% in just 11 days as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and Cardano plunged 31%, 47%, 43% and 50% over the past week respectively. The fact number four is that analysts are pinning recent losses to investors' fears over strengthening crypto regulations in China, where authorities on Friday pledged to crack down on Bitcoin mining and trading behavior in an effort to resolutely control financial risks. Number five is, the stark warning came just 3 days after the nation's financial regulators issued another notice that helped spark the midweek plunge, telling banks and payment institutions that conducting any business with cryptocurrencies was prohibited and subject to penalization. Now, in response to the recent warnings from Chinese regulators, cryptocurrency exchange Huobi told CoinDesk Sunday that it has halted its miner hosting services in mainland China. It's unclear how much that could impact mining, but crypto markets briefly crashed in April after blackouts in the nation led to massive declines in Bitcoin's mining rates. The company, which is one of the world's largest crypto exchanges by volume, also said it would stop providing certain investment products to new users in a slew of other countries due to recent dynamic changes in the market and in order to protect the interests of the investors. Now there is a crucial quote about the current situation, and it says, "Crypto has been a casualty of the changing tide in and out of speculation. High-flying assets have increasingly fallen out of favor with inflation worries, and they are starting to weigh on the market," Lul Demisi, the president of Ali Invest, said in a weekend note. Sure, Elon Musk's tweets on Bitcoin added fuel to the fire, but Bitcoin has looked like the classic case of a crowded trade that turned. This week, crypto holders rushed to the exits. So the viewers, there is some surprising fact, and now we are coming to that surprising fact. And it says, despite the crash, ARK Investment CEO Kathy Wood says she still believes Bitcoin prices will rise to $500,000, a staggering 15 times current prices of $33,350, insisting that volatility in the crypto market is to be expected. She says, "We go through soul-searching times like this and scrape the models. And yes, our conviction is just as high." She told Bloomberg TV Wednesday before warning, "You never know how low is low when a market gets very emotional." So the viewers, the background of all this situation is, regulatory concerns have rocked the nascent crypto market before. Despite rising more than tenfold in 2017, The combined value of the world's cryptocurrencies crashed more than 80% within months after countries like South Korea started cracking down on then booming initial coin offerings, which minted new tokens and fueled an investor mania, not unlike the recent surge in relatively unknown altcoins alternatives. It was not until the pandemic that inflationary concerns and heightened institutional adoption lifted the market to new highs again late last year. The market is still up about 50% from its early 2018 peak, but what's to come is still very uncertain. Some experts believe the markets matured enough to recoup its losses, but others are warning that there is still room for a steeper correction. So everyone should be careful before investing in the crypto assets. Okay, thanks for watching the video. In the end, again, I want to remind you that subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of such videos. So okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.